Hi, welcome to week 14. It is the last full week before we leave for Thanksgiving. We have a week off next week. So it's the last full week we have. And so we're going to start. It is basically the exact same as in the past. You've got your 3 assignments, but before you begin, you'll have this video is what we're talking about, and I will just go through this a little bit. You will have the face-to-face will be on Monday at 11. Then you'll have assignment 1, 2, and 3. On Wednesday, we will have our face-to-face. We'll probably do a Kahoot or something about Thanksgiving. Remember, Thursday is progress reports. Tomorrow is when we have to, as teachers, have to have in all our grades. So I would make sure that all of your grades are in today. And if you do turn in work, please make sure you let us know, because we do not get notified if you turn in work for previous weeks. So we will not go back and look for it. So I'm going to ask for all the teachers that if you turn in any missing work, please let us know. Our essential question is: color and style makes text easier to read, but does margins make it easier to read? So we're going to be working in the layout ribbon in Microsoft Word, which has to do with margins and orientation. You will be able to create a readable flyer. You're going to have a ribbon worksheet, and you are going to upload your organization into OneDrive. Okay, so on to assignment 1. Assignment 1 is basically you are going to be creating a Thanksgiving flyer, and you're going to be working in the home, the insert, and the layout ribbon. You are going to follow the video. It is not step by step like I have done in the past, because you need to have different kinds of learning styles, and we will go back to other learning styles. I try to move it around so that you get exposed to it all. I do not expect you to be great at them all, but you need to know how to do them all. So you need to watch the video and follow along. The second one is a worksheet. It looks like a quiz, but it's not. It is basically you are practicing the icons and what they do in the ribbons, and you get to take it twice. And if after the first time, it will give you the correct answers, so that you should be able to get your get 100. So it is a worksheet, and it is just practice for the icons. Then the last one is, like I said, is that this week is supposed to be for typing, and you can keep practicing typing. There is nothing wrong with that. However, we're working on organization. Every week I tell you guys that you need to make sure you know where you are saving it and what you're saving it as, and that you would be putting it onto OneDrive. And so we're going to put it on OneDrive, and then you are going to take 2 screenshots, 2. One in list view, one in tile view. And you will submit those 2 so that I can see that you are working on your organizational skills. As always, if you have any problems, questions, please message me, reach out to me, and we will get it fixed. If not, I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful week and enjoy Thanksgiving next week if I do not talk to you.